Hello everybody. I'm so excited to show you a new idea about making compost. We make our compost and save all our droppings into this little jar with a plastic liner in there, and then we dump it into the soil of where we want to make compost. We don't make it in a bin or anything like that too much. We put it right in the area we want it to work. So this won't be moved at all, so that saves labor. But just take a look at this. It's mid-January, about January 9th in Billings, Montana, and there's clay soil underneath this compost, and I want to show you what's going on with it. It used to be as hard as a rock and just like cement. But look at this stuff. She's breaking down into a finer soil. And this is January, folks. So just remember that you can make compost during the winter. Compost actually heats up. It keeps the ground from freezing. So the biological activity is still going underneath. The top of this is froze. See, that's froze, but right underneath it, she is building and growing new soil out of what used to be hard compost. Right along the edge here, I can't get my fork in because it's too hard. But in the middle here, this is really nice stuff that I can fly up underneath that frozen ground. So we're going to be able to actually plant right in this clay soil come spring and raise some flowers and some vegetables and a lot of other stuff. I'll just throw this new sorting of organic material underneath there, mix it up a little bit with the soil on top, throw this frozen piece back on top of that. And there you go. Composting with God's blanket in the middle of winter. It's actually snowing out and it's freezing weather today. Next week it's going to be down to below zero. So this will keep going, and I'll check it to see that even if it goes below zero, does this thing not freeze down? So anyway, here we are in January, like I said, growing soil out of what used to be hard old compost. Oh, look at this. There is one of our earthworm workers in January, still working above ground. He's a little cold this morning, so all just sticking down underneath here where he can crawl down and get below that frozen weather. I want to thank you very much for this video, and please save yourself a lot of work. Throw your wasted stuff on a garden bed, on a flower bed, on something like this. Make your compost right here. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.